Hello guys and girls, thank you for tuning in. As you know, you're here for the Maratac products from CountyComm, which are some of the coolest you get out there on the market. Ultim Titanium with this extremely cool, let me try to zoom in, with a good lens. Where is, oh here, check that out. So Drafttitan pencils that I've come to love very, very much. You know, the Pica pens, this is something in between a regular thin pencil and the Pica pencil. This is 1.2 millimeters thick, if I remember correctly. Let's check real quick. What do we have here? I was using this on concrete earlier. 2 millimeters. So these are 2 millimeter rods inside. Now, I already have a detailed review of this. This is the same exact thing, but I need to take that out and replace. There we go. So the difference between them is obviously slightly, this is heavier because it is metal, though titanium. This is Ultim, both extremely cool. Why I requested this also, beside the obvious coloration of it was really appealing to me, was interested how this was executed. But the thing is, I'm not a construction worker, but sorry, let me zoom out so you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm building my own house, steel reinforced. You'll see it, the videos are coming soon. Anyway, so outside I do have the very frequent need to make some drawings, put something down, make clarifications on the project of the house, what do you call the drawings, the spreadsheets, etc., etc. And so this is my desk guy, because you could somehow damage it outside and bump it into something or drop it, which this is a very durable and hard material, Ultimis or PEI, but still it is fancy plastic. This is titanium. You can drop it, swing it, I don't know, jump on it, and it will still serve the function. Internals are plastic, which is good, right? So when you drop this, what frequently happens is the rod acquires micro cracks, and then it may just shatter when you try to pull it out. You won't have strength when you're using it. So the fact that the internals are silicone and plastic, that helps in the vibration absorption. But you can scrape this all you want, it's titanium, it will still protect, the shell will protect. Now, the video is a quick fix for the titanium Drafttitan pencil. The fix is, I found that when I use this thing, the thread comes undone, and then it gets that noise. Is that a drawback? Not really. It's metal on metal, and I understand, but that's not a deal breaker for me. There's fixes for almost everything. So what I'm doing here is I'll just put a thread lock on it. Let me explain why. You basically don't really ever need to undo this, because the cartridges, the rods, are placed from the top. So you never really have the use to unscrew that unless you want to have a look inside, which I don't. I mean, if I run out, I just refill and that's it. And of course, if you do have the need, because this is metal, you can just heat it up lightly, and you know, once it's warm, you'll undo the screw without issue. So that's all this video is, and plus just showing you how cool this Drafttitan pencil is. So we will apply just a drop here. Oh, that's too much. That's a bit too much. There we go. That's plenty enough. And once this dries in about, say, 10-15 minutes, you're all set. This will not come undone anymore. There we go, guys. Thank you for watching. Please use my discount codes. It will take 10% off your entire cart. So throw stuff in there, use the discount code, 10% will be cut off. And I do get a commission from that, of course. Obviously, the channel does need to survive. But I love Maratac, man. This is their Altomare watch, which is a killer GMT, all, you know, fancy schmancy, but very, very toolish. They've got a lot of good stuff in there. I love that watch, and review coming here soon. And they've got all kinds of stuff for EDC enthusiasts, for outdoorsmen, for professionals in the law enforcement and military, etc. Very, very cool stuff, and a wide range. This is from them as well. Very cool. Glow in the dark skull. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.